back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother. And if you're not new here, you're probably looking at me like, oh my God, her face is clean. It's not, it's really not, I promise. I just have the basics on for the purposes of this video. So just foundation, and the reason being is, again, for the purposes of this video. So I normally, when I get out of the shower, do my hair and then my makeup. And I know you guys are used to seeing me with my hair up, but today is gonna be different. All right, so let me tell you what happened. So the other day, Cadence and I were in Walmart. We were in the beauty section. I was looking for some things from Physicians Formula, and flour and a few other things that I've been wanting to try, because you guys know I don't just do high-end, I do a lot of drugstore as well. So anywho, while we were looking for those products, this lady walks over to us, hands us this white ticket and says, take this, go over to the deli and you'll get a free gift. And I'm like, I'm not gonna pass up a free gift. And you know, I knew it was like kind of like a sales thing and I was gonna have to listen to some sales pitch, but I've gotten some really great knives at Walmart this way, like seriously. So I'm like, I'll listen to her little spiel real fast, get whatever she's given and move along. So anywho, and before I finish with this, let me just point this out. So when this lady was like going on about this little sales spiel, okay, this other lady is like, and I'm saying she had to been like 40 plus, okay, and she's like, it's about to get lit in here. I'm telling you right now, if you are over 40, you are not allowed to say things like lit. There's like a cutoff, okay? So this is like a PSA to you guys. 40 and over, look, I'm almost there, and I'm just saying, like, there's a cutoff. You're not allowed to say things like lit, okay? All right, anywho, so back to the sales spiel. I ended up buying what the lady was selling, which is rare because I don't normally do that, but this was a pretty good deal, okay? And I was like, you know, I review products. This is a product, it's a beauty product, and again, it has to do with hair, so, all right, this is what it is. So, I have the Chi, okay? This is what I have. This is what I normally do to straighten my hair, curl it, do whatever. This is what it looks like right here. It's got the little floating plates, ceramic plates. I like it. It's just really expensive, okay? And I've had this for, I don't know, a year or two now. So I really like it. It came with this little heat pad, which as you can see is a hot mess because, again, I've had it for over a year. Now, this lady, this Chi thing was like, actually, I think I still have the receipt in here. So let's see how much it was. Here it is. $125. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's how much I paid for this. So yeah, these hair straighteners get super expensive, as you guys know, I'm sure. So this little package of goodies right here was not $125. This was $39.99. So I'm like, okay, I can't pass this up. And again, I review products, so I will review it for my channel. All right, so this is the Beauty Amplified Style House Professional Styling Iron. They had two colors, black or red. Cadence picked red. I got this because, again, it's cheaper, and secondly, I need something to travel with, and you know, just it's cheaper, okay? And you know, it sounded like a really, I mean, it was a really good deal. So this has everything, literally everything, the floating plates, everything that this Chi has. Everything that I like about this Chi, this supposedly has. On top of that, it came with this little box of goodies right here, which is a flat iron holder. So like literally suction cups to your mirror, a styling comb, and a heat resistant case. Like it's a pad and a case, which again is good for traveling because I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So I figured I would test this out and hold it up to the Chi. So we're doing the Style House, all right, Beauty Amplified. Again, I got this at Walmart versus the Chi G2. So this is $125, this is $39.99, and it came with this little bundle package thing here, okay? So let's go try it out. All right, ladies and gents, my hair seriously never looks this damn good after blow drying it. Like, I'm just saying, like, this has got to be some serious pregnancy hormones or something going on here, because wow. So yeah, I didn't do anything different than I normally do. I just put a couple drops of this in my hair, worked it in, and then blow dried it. By the way, I like listening to music when I do my hair. I don't know about y'all, but like when I'm showering and get ready, I like think I'm Beyonce or something. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, I do love listening to music. So anyways, I want to show you real fast. This is the little holder thing that came in it. So this is kind of nifty and nice to have. So I'm about to stick it on the mirror and see how well it works. And then this is the little Style House thing, and this is like, I guess, the little travel carry case. So it's like a heat mat and a travel carry case, like all in one. So that's, woo! So that's kind of nice to have. So I'm gonna stick this on the mirror, and then I'm gonna plug them both in at the same time, because I wanna see if this one heats up as fast or faster than my Chi, because again, I'm comparing the two, okay? Okay guys, so I wanted to show you this. The plugs are definitely significantly different. This is the new one, this is the Chi 2. So I do like that this one has a surge protector, and this one, the new one's plug, as you can see, let me drop that one, is not quite as long as my Chi 2, which I do really like a long cord. So I'm gonna plug both of these in now, and so we're gonna turn them. Ooh, wow, that suction cup thing sticks good. Okay, so this one's just got like a little switch thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just got, oops, let me flip it around here. A little switch. So I'm gonna turn this one on, and this one's got like a little digital thing with a button. So I turn this on to 350, and I'm gonna set that one down. And this one is just got a little knob, which I don't like. I like being able to know exactly what I have it on. So minimum to maximum. So I'm gonna put it like in the middle. So see how fast these heat up. So here's something funny for you guys while I was waiting for these to heat up. Like this one, the little green button came like turned on. I guess it's done heating up because it's pretty hot. And this one beeps when it's, and it says when it's at 350, because it like, you can literally watch the numbers climb. So they both heated up very quickly, very, very quickly. So I'm kind of impressed by that so far. So let's get started. Let's see what it looks like. I'm just gonna straighten my hair and we'll see. Oh, that's kind of loud. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I love my music. Okay. So, yes, these are what I call my rogue streaks. And I'm letting them go. All natural. Woo! Okay, that pulled out a hair. I don't like that. Okay, so this is gonna take me a minute probably to figure out where the heat is. Ouch, I don't like, this is like pulling my hair out, literally. It's like not as smooth as most ceramic plates. So worst case scenario, if I don't like this that much, I will give it to Cadence. Yeah, I don't know how much I like that. We'll do a few more. Like, and I'm having to like work it over again, and I don't like that either. Like, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Like with my Chi here, I can grab a section of hair, like you see this here. I can grab a section of hair and just do it one time. You know what I'm saying? Like I can do my whole head with this Chi in like 10 minutes. See how it just did all that? So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I guess I'll try the other one a few more times And then if I don't like it, then Cadence is getting a new straightener. Okay, that's a little better. Maybe it wasn't heated up all the way. Okay, I just want to show you guys this real quick because I just did this with the new one. So maybe it just wasn't, you know, heated up completely. So let's see. The little light came on and maybe it just wasn't ready to go. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I do like this little handle thingamajigger though. That is nice. Because I don't have a lot of counter space in our bathrooms at all. It's going pretty good now. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it did a pretty good job. Not bad. I mean, seriously, not bad at all considering this was 40 bucks. I mean, like, it took me a little longer to use it because I'm just not used to it. And like the reason it was like kind of pulling my hair out was because I was squeezing it too hard. But I will say it does work quite nicely once it gets heated up. So I guess it did take a little longer than the Chi to heat up. And I don't like that I can't like 100% control the, you know, I did that one a little wrong there. That I can't like control the heat. Like in like exact, you know, get it exact like I can the Chi. But as you can see, it curls very well. So you have to definitely be careful where you start at with that. But yeah, it did very, very well. My hair looks fabulous. So, you know, like I said, the cord's not as long, but I guess that's really not important with like a traveling iron, which is really what I want this for, is traveling, so I don't have to travel with my expensive one, just in case, you know what I'm saying? So, or like if Cadence wants to borrow my iron, so I can give her this one. So yeah, I'm kind of impressed. This was the little comb thingy that came in it. Oh, but I haven't really figured out how to use that. I'm guessing something like that, but I don't know. I'm not a professional hairstylist. As I said from the beginning, I'm just somebody who likes their hair to look good, which I'm sure that is the majority of us. So all in all, for 40 bucks, totally worth it, for sure. So that's my review on the Style House. And I'm gonna look this up because I think the lady said on their website this was like 200 bucks. So I'm gonna look this up before I post this video and link that down below because I'm curious to see if it actually is, because she was like, you know, it's such a great deal if you get it right now, it's 40 bucks. And I'm like, $40 straightener, I'm on it all day, whether it is a great deal or not, because it's a $40 straightener. And you're telling me that it works as good as my $125 one, I will definitely try it out. So, in worst case scenario, you know, Cadence got a new straightener, and I had a review for my YouTube channel. So, but so far, I will have to say, it's pretty nice. I like it. So yeah, that's my review of the Style House straightener. All right.